Hello everyone, this is Fazalur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a very interesting and very important topic, and the concept or title of the project is something like this: detecting suspicious file migrations or replications in the cloud. We are going to detect here some suspicious activities from the hacker, intruder, or unknown users in the cloud. Okay, so whether it's file download or file migrations, if any intruder or hacker is doing in the cloud, how we are going to protect it, how we are going to detect this is the project concept. This project, let me tell you what are the technologies it uses. Okay, for front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and for back-end development, we have used here Python programming language along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework to develop web applications in Python. For database, we have used here MySQL database. Let me tell you, this project I have also integrated with AWS real-time cloud. In case if your requirement is that, you can let me know. So this is the landing page of the project. You can see here we have so many elements in this page. And basically in this project, we have got altogether around 3 different types of users are there. File loader is there, name node is there, and data node is there. And fourth user, the third user, we can consider it as attacker. So in order to execute this project very well, smoothly, I will open all these 3 different tabs, all these 3 users in 3 different tabs. Okay, let's do that. So let us assume that this is for file loader, this tab, and next tab, I'll open it in new tab. Name node, so right click, open in new tab. Similarly, data node, open in new tab. Okay, now let's take one more time about attacker also we require. So I'll take it attacker here. Let's go to file loader here first of all, and let's try to create an account in our project. So create account here, name, let me give my name here, email ID, and contact number, password. Let's sign up. And you can see here it says, please make sure password includes a digit. So 1, 2, 3. Sign up. Please make sure it includes an uppercase as well. So you can see here how we have provided the password validation. Let me provide the correct password for now. Sign up. Account created successfully. Let's try to log in here with the same account. The application responding here, your account is pending. Please wait. So here the application, the new user, those who are registered just now, they have to wait for the admin approval. Okay. The account authorization has to be done by the node. Let's go and check it out in name node. What is there? Okay, this is the name node. So the email ID with what I have given is this. The password is this. Let's log in. And the login is successful. This is the simple dashboard which we have created. Today's request is 1, total request is 8, total authorized file loaders are 5. Now let's go to file loader request in the name node. So this name node is responsible for authorizing the file loaders. Okay, those who will upload the files on the server. File loaders simply you can consider as users in a network, those who will upload the files on the servers. So here the status of the account is pending. Let me click on accept here. The account will be accepted. Hopefully we will receive the email as well. Let me check the email. Yes, you can see here, your application has been successfully accepted. We have got a mail from the application, file loader application status. Let's come back. Now, authorized file loader, who are the authorized file loaders? All these are file authorized, okay, users. Now, let's go back to our file loader and try to log in now. Let's see whether it allows to log in now or not. Now it says login successful. You can see here, this is a simple dashboard we have given for the file loader, where it says today's how many files have been uploaded and total files. I have not uploaded any file right now. It just new account has been created, so nothing is there. Let's go to upload files here, not to upload the files. Let's choose a file. File name, file in which location you want to upload this file. You can have these options. We can increase the options in HTML page. We can add how many we want because this is just a static data. So I'll select here Hyderabad, upload. File is uploaded successfully. Let's try to upload another type of file. Upload. File uploaded successfully. So images also uploaded. File text data files are also uploaded here. Let's go to my files. You can see here two different files are there. Okay, region is Hyderabad here. And if you want, you can download it by simply clicking on this button. The file will be downloaded. Okay. Now, after the file is downloaded, let's go to migrate this file, my profile. I'll click on our code book. I'll click on migrate here. So from which location to which location you want to migrate? I want to migrate to Mumbai. Migrate file. Success. File is migrated successfully. Let's check our mail. Let's go to data node here. Try to log in with data node. And under data node, this login is successful. This is the dashboard which we have given. Here it says total file loaders are 8, files are 26, total attacks, 15 attacks have been happened. Let's go to view file loaders. These are all the file loaders. And last HFDS, okay. Location, our file allocation is there where you can see how many files are allocated to a particular region. Mumbai, we have got 8, Hyderabad, we have got 8, Delhi, we have got 3. Real-time file migrations, how many have been done? Okay, real-time file migrations, Mumbai 17 migrations, Hyderabad 7, Delhi 9. So users are migrating their files to Mumbai server here. Real-time migration analysis we are doing. So all the users maximally they are preferring Mumbai because the attacks or the intruders are not accessing the servers which are available in Mumbai, which means the Mumbai servers are very secure here. Hyderabad is 7 and Delhi is 9 here, migrations. Okay, how many files are available here? Hyderabad is having and Mumbai is having same file size. Let's go to load balancer and check the load balancing here. Mumbai, we have got here this type of, 313,000 change file size. Okay, this is the file size in bytes. Next, we have got Hyderabad here, 324, 100,000. Next, Delhi. From these three locations, we have got, okay, highest in Hyderabad, then in Mumbai. The file size, data storage capacity, we can see here how the servers are balancing the load. So Hyderabad server is having huge data. Irrespective of file count is same in both Hyderabad and Mumbai, but the size storage is different. Storage is more in Hyderabad server compared with Mumbai here. Attack details. Right now we have got some attack details here. Okay, let me show you how this works. Now here, let's go to the last tab here and I will open the attacker module to show you how it happens. So attacker comes through the URL. So they will try to access the application through the URL, and they will check here what are the files are available, and they can search here the files. Okay. If I search here, you can see my profile is coming. They can try to download, but the download doesn't happen. And about I'm searching here, they can try to migrate here, but migration doesn't happen from the server. Now this information will be given to the data node here. In the attack details, you can see 22 ID is there. Let's click on this attack details again. Now you can see here 23 and 24 here. This is the IP address, and file loader ID 21, user ID. Okay, the file is being attacked here. The file ID is 25 and 26. One is Mumbai region and another is Hyderabad region. The file name is this, file size is this, date and time. So the IP address we are catching here, real-time IP address we are catching here of the attacker in order to know the attack details completely. Every details, okay, we are capturing here. How much attacks are happened, what is the IP address, to whose file it is attacked, and the file ID, what is the file ID, which region the file is available. Okay. And this file we have migrated to Mumbai. You can see the Mumbai is displayed. What is the file name, file size in bytes, and date and time. Got it? And you can search from here as well. Let's say 23. 23 will be displayed. The load balancer is there. Last HFDS is there. Real-time file migrations. You can search here as well. Okay, we have given the search very clearly. File loader is there. And here's the dashboard completely. This is the name node. Only two options are available for the name node: to authorize the new file loaders and check those details. And this is the users part, file loaders part. Hyderabad region and Mumbai region. Okay, so hope you got the project idea what we are doing here. Let me tell you, this project will help you to analyze the attack types and to get the attacker IP address. Okay, and if we execute this project in AWS Real Cloud, that will be very nice, very good. The appreciable project will be there. So this was a complete project explanation. Hope you understood it. If you're not getting anything, let me know. If you have any doubts regarding the project execution or explanation, a complete project explanation I have not given you, just a briefing I have given. The flow of the project is clearly explained in this. But what is the real concept of the project, that will be explained in a different video. So with this, I hope I have concluded the message to you. So let me conclude the project execution now. So thank you now for a while. Bye.